Welcome to the Quiz Arena, your ultimate destination for fun, excitement, and brain-twisting trivia challenges. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Disney. From enchanted castles to heroic journeys, we're taking you on an adventure with your favorite characters like Belle, Rapunzel, and Cinderella. Let's jump right in. Do you know about Belle? What is Belle's favorite pastime? Reading. What color is Belle's iconic ball gown? Yellow. Who is Belle's father in Beauty and the Beast? Morris. Which item is enchanted and crucial to breaking the Beast's curse? A rose. What is the name of the Beast's royal butler who is transformed into a clock? Cogsworth. What does Gaston use to propose to Belle? Antlers. What song does Belle sing about her desire for adventure? Belle Reprise. What phrase does the Enchanted Castle's staff say to make Belle feel welcome? Be our guest. What does Belle first discover in the west wing of the Beast's castle? The Enchanted Rose. What is the name of Belle's horse? Philippe. Do you know about Cinderella? What is the name of Cinderella's stepmother? Lady Tremaine. What time does the magic spell wear off in the story? Midnight. What are the names of Cinderella's two stepsisters? Anastasia and Drizella. What type of animal is Gus in the movie? A mouse. What is the fairy godmother's famous phrase? Beebidi-bobbidi-boo. What is Cinderella's glass slipper made of? Glass. What kind of animal transforms into Cinderella's coachman? A goose. What does Cinderella lose at the ball? Her slipper. What color is Cinderella's iconic ball gown? Blue. What is the name of the prince in Cinderella? Prince Charming. What about Rapunzel? What is the name of the magical flower that gives Rapunzel her powers? Sundrop flower. What does Rapunzel use as a weapon when she first meets Flynn Rider? A frying pan. What is the name of Rapunzel's pet chameleon? Pascal. What is the name of the kingdom where Rapunzel lives? Corona. What is the name of the horse that chases Flynn Rider? Maximus. What does Rapunzel dream of seeing in person? Lanterns. Who kidnaps Rapunzel as a baby? Mother Gothel. What happens to Rapunzel's hair when it is cut? It loses its magic and turns brown. What is the title of the song Rapunzel sings as she heals with her magic hair? Healing incantation. What is Flynn Rider's real name? Eugene Fitzherbert. And that wraps up today's magical Disney trivia. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, did you ace it? Or do you need a little more Disney magic?